Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss label encoding and ordinal encoding. In previous video we saw what is encoding and how to do encoding by one hot encoding. Okay, encoding is just converting categorical data into numeric form. Okay, and we have seen how we can convert and how we can do encoding using one hot encoding. Okay, so in today's video we will see how we can do encoding by label encoding and ordinal encoding. So first, what is label encoding? Okay, label encoding assigning a unique number to each category. Suppose I have a column color and I have three categories in that particular column: red, blue, green. So we will assign label encoder will assign a basically a number to each category. Suppose it assigned red to 0, blue to 1, green to 2. Okay, and what is ordinal encoding? Ordinal encoding means assigning numbers based on meaningful order. Basically, it assigns numbers based on a meaningful order. What it means suppose I have an education column. Okay, so I have these categories in my education column: low, medium, high. And after encoding low, it will assign low to 0, medium to 1, high to 2. Okay. So what is the difference between label encoding and ordinal encoding? Label encoding assigns number without considering order. Okay. It will basically randomly assign numbers to each category, red, blue, green, and it will assign based on order. Okay, ordinal encoding. So this is our data set. We will do encoding, label encoding for ethnicity column. I show you. See, these are my categories. We will do label encoding for this, and I will do basically ordinal encoding for this. These have also few categories, one, two, three, four. So we will do basically label encoding, ordinal encoding for this column. Okay. So how we can do that? We will do this by Python. For basically Python, basically for coding purpose, we will use Jupyter Lab. And for using Jupyter Lab, please download Anaconda Navigator. In my system, it is already downloaded. So when you will download Anaconda Navigator and you will search Anaconda prompt here, Anaconda prompt, cd, control V, sorry, okay, I will type cd and give your file location, give your file location, cd, control V, write Jupyter Lab, press enter. It will open Jupyter Lab in my browser. I will wait for a few seconds. So I will choose this. I will rename this. Suppose I will give some name. Label ordinal encoding. Okay. Press enter. Okay. First we will import some library. Import numpy as np. Import pandas as pd. Okay. Shift plus enter. Now we will load our data set. Okay. See. Suppose I will take data as my variable ed dot read Excel because I have Excel file. I will write Excel. So I will give the path, right click, copy path, paste here, control V, and we will check our first three rows by data.head 3. So my data set is loaded. We will do label encoding for ethnicity and basically ordinal encoding for business unit. Okay? So you got to know what is the difference between these two encodings. Okay? The basic purpose is simple. We will assign categorical data to numeric data. We will convert categorical data to numeric data. Okay? So how we can do that? First, we will do label encoding. Okay? So how we can do that? First, I will import label encoder from Scikit-learn, sklearn dot pre-processing pre-processing import label encoder. Okay, label encoder. Okay, now set plus enter. Now we will make an object for calling label encoder. Suppose I will create ali is equal to just with label encoder. Okay, enter. Now, which column we want to basically, which column we want to fit for the label encode? Which column? And ethnicity because we are converting categorical to numeric data of ethnicity using label encoder. So I will fit this column. Okay, how we can do that? Ali dot fit give your column data. It is the column name ethnicity. Control V. Okay. See, it is fitted. This column is fitted to label encoder. Now I will make a new column so that we can fetch the numeric data from ethnicity column. Okay. Suppose suppose I will take a new column. Control V. I will give some name slash num. Okay. I am converting to num. I have taken that is equal to ali dot fit transform transform. Okay. What I will transform ethnicity column, ethnic column data. Now, okay. So what we are doing here? Fit means I already discussed in my previous video. Fit means it learns the basically unique values. What is the meaning of unique values? See the data. So these are unique values. Asian, Black, Persian, Latino. These are unique values. It will learn unique value. Okay. So what is the meaning of transform? Transform basically convert the categorical data into numeric data. So this is what we are doing by this line. Okay. Now step plus enter. Now we will check our data. Step plus enter. See, I got my new column ethnicity num and it has assigned numeric data for my ethnicity column. Okay. So see here. Okay. This is how we do label encoding for converting categorical data into numeric data. Now we will see how we can convert categorical data into numeric data using ordinal encoding. Okay, so I will use the same data set, but I will do for business unit column. Okay, now I will import first sklearn dot preprocessing preprocessing import import ordinal ordinal encoder. Okay, ordinal encoder. So plus enter. Now, okay. Suppose I will make a object for it also. Okay. Suppose I have ordinal encode, so I will just take OE as my object name. Okay. Just press tab. When you will press tab, it will show you. Now I have created an object to call my ordinal encoder. Okay. Now, first I will see what are the unique values in my business unit column. Okay. How we can see that? Data, take your column, dot unique. See, these are my unique values. Okay, these are my unique categories in my business unit column. I will do ordinal encoding for these categories. I will convert these categories into numerical data. Okay, so how we can do that? Okay, so first I will take a variable, separate variable. Okay, suppose I will take data two. Data two is equal to I will take my all basically I will copy this. Okay, I will just copy this. Okay, control C, then paste it here. We are giving it this double square basis because it expects 2D data. Okay, so I have given this. Okay, so now, okay, nan also. Okay, so it has some duplicate values. Sorry, null values also. Okay, so it has null. Okay, nan value I will just simply drop. So it has yes. Okay, I will just represent it. Okay, so now I will do this. Suppose OEX. I will take a variable, new variable. I will call my ordinal encoder tab enter null encoder. Now I will do categories. Okay, categories. Categories is equal to what is the category? I have defined my category into data two. So I will just give my data two. Okay, now yes, shift plus enter. Okay, now I have given my categories to ordinal encoder. Okay, now I will make again a new column. Suppose I will give some num, business num. Okay, now is equal to again I will do fit transform, fit transform data data, which for which column I am doing this? Business unit, business unit. Okay. So I will give this also two brace and two square braces. Okay. Now what we have done here, I will again I have done fit transform by ordinal encoder to this this column basically for this column of data. Okay, I have fitted ordinal encoder for this column. Okay, fit means it will learn the new category, unique categories. Basically, these are unique categories, and basically transform. It will convert the categorical data into numeric data. Okay, shift plus enter. Okay, so it is showing unknown categories nan. Okay, so it is showing nan. Okay, so suppose so it is considering nan also in this. Okay, nan. So what we will do? We will do. Okay, okay. First we can fill. Okay, first we will fill uh, the business unit column. Okay, first I will fill my nan values. Okay, first I will fill my nan values in this column dot fill and I will just write unknown. Okay, unknown in place of this. Okay, okay. So it has taken unknown. Now I will do basically it will sorry. I will write in place is equal to true also so that it can permanently change my data in place is equal to true. Shift plus enter. It is just a warning, it is not an error. So don't worry. So now I will give here unknown, shift plus enter, shift plus enter, shift plus enter. Okay. So now I will see my data. So now you will see here new column. See this ethnicity num. I have basically converted categories, categorical data into numeric data from ethnicity column by label encoder, and this is my new column business num. It I have converted categorical data into numeric data of business unit using ordinal encoder. Okay, so this is how we use a label encoder and ordinal encoder for converting numerical data categorical data into numerical data. Okay, so this is how we do conversion of categorical data and categorical data into numeric data using using these two encoders. Okay. So that's all in this video. In next video, we will see outlier detection. Okay. Thank you.